It started as a tiny side project, just one guy fixing one annoying problem. No teams, no ads, no investors. But what happened next? It exploded. Now it's printing thousands every single month, all on autopilot. Hey guys, welcome back. I am Hamza Haroon, and today I am breaking down how one solo developer built a micro SaaS empire from scratch. Micro SaaS is booming more than ever, and not every SaaS needs investors or big teams. Sometimes one simple tool can change everything. So while you were procrastinating, this genius took action, and now his SaaS is worth over $1 million. So in today's micro case study, I'll break down key aspects regarding this website. You will learn about this website, revenue breakdown, tech stack, marketing strategy, traffic and SEO strategy, backlinks and authority, strengths and weaknesses, key takeaways, and a 30-day roadmap so that you can do it yourself. So what exactly is this micro SaaS all about? It's called plagiarismchecker.ai. It is a plagiarism detection tool for finding text similarity. It scans your text across billions of web pages and research papers across online publications. And in just few seconds, it tells you exactly what's original and what's not. No fluff, no waiting, just accurate plagiarism results fast. It's made for people who care about authentic writing. Students, teachers, bloggers, SEO writers, agencies, content marketers, anyone who needs to keep their work 100% clean. Universities use it to detect copied submission, brands use it to protect their content from duplications, and creators love it because it helps them write confidently without worrying about hidden plagiarism. That's the magic of this micro niche SaaS tool. Simple idea, clean design, one mission to make sure every word you publish is truly yours. Now let's talk about the money side. The website was launched in 2022 and it almost took 3 years for this micro SaaS to grow. And now it's growing like a beast. They offer 3 subscription plans: weekly, monthly, and yearly. The weekly plan costs $14.99, the monthly plan costs $49.99, and the yearly plan costs $1,025 per year. Now let's talk about traffic, because traffic equals opportunity. The website gets around 259,000 visits every month, and almost 90% of that comes from UK and USA. The rest comes from India, Canada, Philippines, and other countries. Usually the conversion rate in tier 1 countries is much higher. So if even 0.5% of the users go premium, that's still more than 1,300 paying users. And if half of them buy monthly plan, that's huge. Around $30,000 to $35,000 in potential monthly traffic. So in real numbers, it's likely bringing tens of thousands every single month. That's the beauty of micro SaaS tool like this: low cost, high margin, and a massive global audience that needs it. It's a proof that even a small plagiarism checker can become a money maker machine. Okay, so now I will tell you how this SaaS is built behind the scenes. Plagiarismchecker.ai uses WordPress as its CMS. It's easy to manage and perfect for micro SaaS niche tools. The design is built with GeneratePress and GenerateBlocks, giving it a clean and lightweight look. It's fully responsive and loads fast on all devices. On the backend, it uses PHP and MySQL, while Cloudflare CDN keeps the website quick across the world. For analytics, they rely on Google Analytics plus Microsoft Clarity. The tool helps track traffic, clicks, and how users behave on each page. Advertising is handled by a mix of Prebid, Criteo, Bidmetric, and Google Publisher tags. For extra features, it includes JS-PDF for document handling, Crypto.js for secure data operations, and reCAPTCHA to keep bots away. Visual and text elements use Google Fonts, Emoji, and Open Graph tags, making everything shared nicely on social media. Overall, the tech stack is solid, modern, efficient, and built for high traffic. It's a perfect mix of WordPress simplicity and enterprise-level performance. Before I move ahead, I wanted to tell you that we, DevHouse, can help you build and grow your SaaS business. We have a dedicated team of 50+ web and app developers who specialize in creating high-quality, scalable SaaS solutions. And in just the last 5 years, we've worked with 93+ startups ranging from small businesses to large-scale enterprises. So if you are ready to take your SaaS business to the next level, feel free to reach out. Now, let's discuss the marketing strategy of this micro niche SaaS tool. Plagiarismchecker.ai is only doing SEO. They invest zero on social media marketing and PPC ads. They use one clean plan, SEO plus content plus backlinks. The website is an exact match domain with .ai, it's TLD. EMDs tend to grow pretty quick if handled the right way. The homepage has a plagiarism tracker tool and it is localized in 8 languages. This helps the site rank in many countries. While plagiarism tracker is their main tool, they also has paraphrasing tool, AI detector and an AI bypasser. The tools are contextually relevant, helping people stay on their website for much longer. The results: steady organic traffic. More visitors is equal to more free users is equal to more paid sign-up. Simple, quiet and efficient. So this is where the things get interesting, the traffic side. The website gets around 259,000 visits every single month, and it's all organic traffic coming from Google and other search engines. The reason? Just smart SEO plus backlinks. 90% of the visitors come from UK and USA, and the rest are from India, Canada, Philippines and other countries. That mix gives the site a strong global audience. The main keywords are simple but powerful: plagiarism checker, AI plagiarism checker, plagiarism check, and many other contextually relevant. All high volume searches, all with clear user intent. People search for plagiarism checker, they find this website because it is an EMD, they test it, and many of them stay. That's the power of focus. The homepage is optimized for what people want, no clutter, no distractions. Just a fast, accurate plagiarism checker that ranks and converts. And that's why the traffic keeps climbing every month. One niche, one clear product, and perfect SEO strategy that wins. Okay, so now I'll use Ahrefs to look into the real fuel behind this website's growth, the backlinks. The website has a domain rating of 42. That's a solid authority for a tool-based SaaS platform. Right now, it has around 502 referring domains and about 1900 backlinks in total. Not bad for a micro niche tool-based website that runs on autopilot. Okay, so now let's check the backlinks. Let me select the backlink type as in content and one link per domain. So out of 1900 backlinks, 186 are actually real. This one looks natural. Okay, so this one looks natural. Definitely a guest post or a niche edit. Also same. This one is also a guest post. This is an auto-generated link. Another auto-generated link. This one's a guest post. Another guest post. Most of these links are from PBNs and small niche blogs. That means it's using a mix of manual outreach and private networks to grow faster, and it's working. Even with average quality backlinks, the site ranks higher on Google and other search engines for competitive keywords like plagiarism checker or an AI plagiarism checker. That's the power of consistent link building. Links build authority, authority builds ranking, and rankings bring steady traffic and sales. It is a perfect reminder that a small SaaS can rise fast if it is playing the backlinks game the right way. Unlike this website's backlinks, we offer white hat link building solutions. We consider relevancy, on-topic expertise, the website's age, organic growth, traffic consistency, content authority, and dozens of other trust metrics before placing a single link. Because real link building isn't about volume, it's about long-term credibility. So if you want to automate your website's link building profile, my email is in the description. Now let's talk about what's working and what could be risky. The biggest strength of plagiarismchecker.ai is its focus and timing. It solves one clear problem, detecting plagiarism, and it does it well. Clean interface, fast result, and it supports multiple languages, giving it a wider reach. Another big strength is its SEO dominance. The site ranks for strong keywords like plagiarism checker and many others. That organic traffic keeps users coming back every month. Plus, the subscription model gives it a recurring income, simple and steady. Now let's look at weak spots. The tool depends heavily on its domain path. They're over-relying on exact match domains. If rankings drop, the business can lose a big chunk of its organic visitors overnight. Another challenge is obviously the competitors. There are massive players in this niche like Grammarly, Scriber, and Quillbot. They have money, reach, and loyal users. And there's one more risk: backlink quality. A lot of its links comes from PBNs and irrelevant websites. So the roadmap ahead is clear. To stay strong, it needs better content, cleaner links, and smarter features. That's how a micro SaaS tool stays relevant even in a crowded market. Alright, now let's talk about how you can build something like this micro SaaS tool in just 30 days. And remember, you don't need big teams or high budget. Just focus and clear simple idea. The first thing, and perhaps the most important, buy a brandable domain. Don't just buy an EMD. It is because EMDs are not working the way they used to work in past. I'll recommend you to buy a brandable domain, and to grow this SaaS tool, focus more on contextually relevant backends. Not just PBNs inviting Google to crush you. So here's the plan. Week 1, choose one clear idea. Keep it simple, one tool, one purpose. For example, an AI plagiarism checker or a paraphrasing tool. Use WordPress or Next.js to build your base. Don't worry about the design yet, just make sure it works. Week 2, make it clean, light, and mobile friendly. Add a simple payment system like Stripe or PayPal. Connect Google Analytics and Microsoft Clarity for tracking. Host it on Vercel, Hostinger, or any fast cloud platform. Week 3, optimize your micro SaaS website for SEO. Write content for the homepage and other general pages. Fix technical issues. Create a solid content plan. Week 4, do a small launch. Submit your site to Google Search Console. Don't wait for perfect, just go live. Share it on Reddit, Product Hunt, and LinkedIn groups. Ask for feedback. Fix issues fast. Build foundational links. Don't do things in haste. Let Google and other search engines index your website properly. And after that, just have full content and relevant backlinks. This is how you take an idea from zero to a working SaaS application in just 1 month. Let's wrap this micro SaaS case study with 10 key lessons. A small tool can solve a big problem. Clear design builds instant trust. SEO is still the strongest growth engine. Even average backlinks can push rankings fast. Localization helps you reach a global audience. Simple pricing converts better than complex gear. Keep your site fast and easy. User returns more often. Watch your analytics. Improve what users actually use. Consistent updates keep your SaaS alive. Focus beats funding. Execution wins every time. This website shows that one simple idea can turn it into a real SaaS business, even without investors or big teams. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more SaaS case studies. Drop your thoughts in the comments. I would love to hear what you think about this business model. And if you are planning to build your own SaaS business, my team can help you from development to marketing. We can take your idea and turn it into a real SaaS application that's ready to grow. Thanks for watching. I'm Hamza Haroon, and I'll be back with another SaaS SEO case study.